Check this out. I'm like a kid at a candy store or an electronic shop, whatever you want to call it. This is a microwave drawer. You hit open, it opens up, put your food in, you close it, and put in your desired time, obviously, and voila. That is pretty darn cool. I want one. Or maybe I don't need one, I might break it. Welcome to Christos Real Estate Vlog. Today I'm excited to share with you a townhome community built by Saussy Burbank, where we have 15 townhomes right here. As you can see, over half of them are still under construction, which is pretty cool. And we are only 100 yards from the Blue Line Rail that goes all the way from North Charlotte all the way to South Charlotte. And so here, as we look at this townhome right here, we have two entrances. You have an entrance right here down to the lower level, which they like to call the AirBnb suite. So if you buy this unit, there is a lock that separates the rest of the townhome upstairs with the lower part, so you could rent it as an Airbnb as some extra income, or use it for whatever you'd like to use. And then we have another entrance here that goes up to the main floor. Let's check it out. So as we come into this townhome, we have a really cool modern look with wire rails. Look at this stairwell. Pretty cool. We have a nice little living area with a balcony up front that overlooks NODA. Did I mention Heist Brewery's right down the street? Grab some pizza and a bunch of other shops. And as we go to the kitchen, right up here, I love this. Look at this. Look at this bath. Here, check this out. So as we walk in from the living area, where we walked into the house, we were greeted by the stairwell in the center of the home, and that goes down to the Airbnb suite, and also a two-car garage, which is on the interior side of the townhome community. And then we walk through here, we have the dining and kitchen area. We have a cool brick interior wall. And as you see here, we have nice quartz countertops with Bosch stainless steel appliances. Nice backsplash that complements the rest of the... Here we are on the third floor, where we have a bookshelf, laundry room, and 2 beds, 2 baths with walk-in closets. Let's check them out. Come on into the Airbnb suite. Let's check it out. Here we go. We have a nice little living area with an entrance from the street right here. A little smart lock that you can attach to your Airbnb account. Separate thermostat down here. We have a walk-in closet, little kitchenette, and a bathroom for a full independent living area. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I'm Christos Teis. If you're enjoying these videos, please like, subscribe, and comment below. This community by Saussy Burbank, I really enjoyed sharing them with you today. We have 15 units for sale. If you're interested, contact me through my website. They are in the mid-500s price point with 3 beds, 3.5 baths, and that nice Airbnb option. So let's come check them out.